Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Midjourney subscription problems in 2026. So if your subscription isn't activating, payments aren't processing, or premium features aren't available, this guide will help you troubleshoot the issue. First, sign in to your Midjourney account and verify that you're using the correct account associated with your subscription. Sometimes users accidentally sign in with a different account and lose access to paid features. Next, check your subscription status in the account or billing section. Make sure your plan is active and that there are no failed payments or expired billing details. If your payment was recently processed, give the system a little time to update. Yeah, in some cases, subscription changes may take a few minutes to appear across all services. If you're accessing Midjourney through Discord, make sure the Discord account you're using is linked to the correct Midjourney subscription account. You can also check whether Midjourney is experiencing service disruptions or billing-related issues that may temporarily affect subscriptions. Finally, revisit your account settings and confirm that your subscription status shows as active before testing premium features again, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Midjourney subscription problems in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.